Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to view your browsing history on Google Chrome for PC, especially with the latest updates. Whether you're trying to revisit a website you stumbled upon, or just want to keep track of your online activity, following these steps will help you access your history effortlessly. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop, or searching for it in your Start menu. Once the browser is up and running, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, look to the top right corner of your Chrome window. Here, you'll see three vertical dots, often referred to as the More menu. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu filled with various options. In the drop-down menu, find and click on History. This will open up another submenu where you can see a second option labeled History Again. Click on this option, and voila! You will now be directed to a dedicated page that displays your complete browsing history. On this page, you'll find a chronological list of all the websites you've visited. Each entry includes the date and time of your visit, making it easy to scroll through and find exactly what you're looking for. If you want to revisit a specific site, simply click on its link and it will open in a new tab. Additionally, if you're looking for something more specific within your history, you can use the search bar at the top of the history page. Type in keywords related to the site you're trying to find, and Chrome will filter the results accordingly. Remember, managing your browsing history is not just about revisiting sites, it's also about maintaining privacy. If you want to clear any entries from your history, you can do so directly from this page by selecting items and choosing the Delete option. That's it. You've successfully learned how to view your browsing history in Google Chrome on PC with just a few simple clicks. Now you can easily keep track of your online activities and revisit those important sites whenever you need them. Happy browsing!